Need to import a WhatsApp chat from a zip? Let's walk through it in 60 seconds. Step 1. Open your file manager and locate the zip in Downloads or your cloud folder. Tap the zip, choose Extract or Unzip, and open the newly created folder. Inside the folder, find the chat export file usually named whatsappchat.txt in a media folder. Press and hold the chat file, tap Share, and pick WhatsApp from the share sheet. If prompted, allow WhatsApp to access files so the import can proceed. In WhatsApp, open the chat or new contact, tap the three dots menu, then choose Import Chat. Use the file picker to navigate to the extracted folder and select the exported chat file. Choose whether to include media. Note that selecting media may increase import time. Wait while WhatsApp imports messages and media. Progress bars and spinners will indicate status. When finished, your chat appears in WhatsApp with messages and timestamps preserved. Recap: unzip the zip, locate the chat file, share to WhatsApp, select import. You're done.